Welcome to the Spa Finishing School Inner Circle. I am Kirsty and I just wanted to personally congratulate you on securing your place here. This isn't just another program, it's an intimate, high-level journey designed for salon owners who, like you, really want to rise above the noise of our competitive industry and truly own their role as CEO. Chief Experience Officer. This is a 9-month program set over 12 months because real growth takes time and depth. Each intake has a maximum of 12 people, so you're in a really small circle where you'll get my personal attention and support alongside a powerful group of peers who are all as passionate and committed as you are. Okay, so what is going to happen then in the very immediate future? You need to keep your eye open for all the emails because we will be sending everything out very shortly. So the first thing is you will be getting your login to the Inner Circle dashboard. Think of this as like the hub of the Inner Circle. It's where the community will operate, but also where you will actually end up with the Treat framework training modules in there as well. You can get into your dashboard and the community immediately as soon as you get those emails, and we want you to get started. The second thing, you'll be getting an invite to a private WhatsApp group. That WhatsApp group will just be me, you, and any of your peers in your intake, nobody else. And that's where you've kind of got your in your pocket Kirsty for quick questions, random thoughts, and also using each other for support during and in between all of our meetings together. So you get the dashboard for the Inner Circle, you'll get the WhatsApp group. You will also get a login to the Spa Finishing School Treatment World. This is a separate website where all of the treatments that I have written over the last 20 years sit with all their very detailed, beautiful videos to learn how to do them. So we'll be sending you that login as well. And fourth, you'll be getting your trade discount codes. So your discounts for Pink's Boutique, Proverb off trade prices, and also for your Spa Essentials, any of the salon decor. On which note, if you paid in full, then you will also get your £200 voucher to use on decor. So this is on things like sarongs, copper pedicure bowls, little bowls, spoons and trays, beautiful elements that you can use in your new client journeys. Fast action. If you are in the fast action gang, expect an email from me booking in that additional strategy session. And you will also get an email from me. This is everybody in your intake gets an email from me to organize your own personal salon audit, because obviously we need to do that one-on-one. So keep your eye out for that. And then lastly, a full date list will be coming your way. That is the date list for the entire length of the program with all of the monthly meetings, which will be Zoom-based, and then the quarterly in-person days as well, so that you can get those in your diary and locked down as soon as possible. You have made an empowering decision to join the Inner Circle, and I just want to tell you, you belong in this room. Over the next year, we are going to start with your why and ensure that you really categorically know what you want to achieve, what your goals are, what the plans are, and what you're setting out to focus on. For your personal why, the business why. Once we have that, we are going to use it to elevate everything you do so that you are operating at an extraordinary level as opposed to a good, an average, or an excellent level. We will look at every system and structure you have in the business, and everything we touch, we are going to make sure that it works for your why, for the lifestyle you want to create and what you want to create for your clients. I cannot wait to help you fully step into this new identity and to become the confident salon owner that is driven by a why and can measure every element of what they are achieving as we go through this program together. As I said, keep your eyes on your inbox. Also check your junk and clutter, because sometimes when you first start getting emails from new systems and people, they will head there. So just make sure that you don't miss any. If you're worried they're not there, then always just shout and reach out to either Luke or I, and we will help you. Once again, welcome to the Inner Circle. This is where your next level begins.